Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Aadhaar number, the mobile to link, and network access. Now go to the official Aadhaar service or nearest enrollment center. This is where you start the request. If online, choose Update Mobile or Link Mobile and enter your Aadhaar carefully because errors slow processing. Once done, you will receive a masked acknowledgement and an OTP to the mobile you're registering. Make sure the phone is on and able to receive messages before proceeding. You proceed with submission and authentication. After entering Aadhaar and the mobile number, submit the request to trigger an OTP. Enter that OTP promptly. This proves possession of the phone and links the number. If you visit a center, they may require biometric verification. This is an extra security step to confirm identity. Once the OTP or biometric check clears, you receive an acknowledgement number. Record it for tracking. Make sure to confirm the mobile displays the ACK and that details match. You finish by monitoring confirmation. The link usually completes within hours, but allow up to 72 hours for processing. Use your acknowledgement number to check status online or with support. If the OTP fails repeatedly, make sure the phone has signal, restart the device, or switch SIM slots. Request a resend only a few times to avoid lockouts. If the link is denied or details mismatch, take the ACK and original ID to an enrollment center for a correction or escalate to the helpline for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.